Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to contact a Dasher support. Okay, so launch the app. So this is for iPhone. I'll also show you for Android. Launch the app, come here at the top right and click on this icon for help. Okay, now the help page, keep scrolling down, you'll come here, you'll see this. Just need to click on this option to chat with support. You'll get instant support right there. Or if you prefer to go ahead and talk to someone in person, you can call them, okay, to talk to an agent on your Android. Do the same process, click on that icon, keep scrolling down and you'll see this, chat with support. You can go ahead and click on that. And of course, if for any reason you no longer have access to your app, still need assistance, you can call them at this number for USA support. And this is Australian support. And this one is New Zealand support. You can call them at these numbers and you should get assistance. But otherwise, it's truly that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.